Here are 5 tips to make your pumpkins last longer. Number 1 is when you're picking out your pumpkin, you want to make sure that they are firm all the way around and that they don't have any soft spots like this. The other thing to check is that it doesn't have any breaks in the skin where bacteria could get in. Number 2, do not break the stem off of your pumpkin. I know the temptation is to pick up the pumpkin by the stem, but once you break the stem off, it just opens it up for bacteria to be able to get in here and cause your pumpkin to rot even faster. Number 3 is whenever you get your pumpkins home, give them a nice bath and then also dip them or spray them with a 10% solution of bleach or hydrogen peroxide in order to kill any bacteria that are living on the outside. Number 4 is move your pumpkins underneath the shade of your porch if possible, because that will keep the sun from beating down on them and rainwater from collecting on those pumpkins and causing them to rot faster. And number 5, each week go out with your bleach solution and spray your pumpkins down again in order to kill any bacteria that may have shown up. So this fall, go out and get your porches decorated up and follow us for more tips like this.